Hi there, it's Kyle, Director of Construction here at Harbor Hills with another Keys to Building a Better Home. Today we'd like to talk about the insulation product that we put on the inside of our block walls. There's a few different ways you can do this. Some builders will put a foam panel up against the block and then put a furring strip over top of it. Some builders will just put the furring strip on the wall and put a foil product on top of that. What we at Harbor Hills do with our Masterpiece Series homes is we put a double furring strip and then we put a VR Plus radiant barrier insulating product that gives us a 70% more efficiency than the foam panels on the walls or the single layer foil product that some builders use. So this helps us to give you, the buyer, a more energy efficient home, which will lower your electric bills and save you money in the long run.